Oh, wow, nice. Okay. Shall we check it out first?
Yeah.
Check it out. Assets.
Showcase there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Game show.
Very simple.
Wow, oi, not bad, eh?
Did you download Grammarly?
Whoa, nice.
Wow.
It's like exactly the same, exactly the same as the real one.
Control with arrow key lah. This one.
Right, I think arrow key or I think space bar. Jump.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. So this is hey, why you turn off the comments? I want comment, eh? I want to say, wow, good job. Wow, but 701 views. Wait, that's a lot, oh.
What is Unity?
Unity. Unity is actually Michelle, what is Unity?
Programming language.
Programming language.
No, not really programming language. How would I say? Usually when they build games, right, see to build like models using different, so it's more like a user interface, which we as a user can interact with it easily for developers, because they don't want to like build the games from head to toe, right? So they will use that for like using the house, just like you mentioned, and then build the environment. Yeah, and then for the logic part, they will use like C#.
C#, yeah. Okay. Yeah, so I think basically it's like a game making machine, game making engine, right? Meant for making the developing process easier lah. Yeah. So I believe because they use C#, C# has a very fast compile time. So it's a way faster like code base compared to other, like Python. Like Python takes very long. Yeah. So one thing my computer science friend he did mention also is that for different programming languages, right? Like one of the reasons why there are so many out there is because each programming language is meant to do something that the other programming language cannot. Or it is more optimized lah. It's more optimized than the other languages to do this certain task. Yeah, so I think for C# or the C and all that assembly language is at the very fundamental. It's like the very, I forgot what is it called, yeah, Michelle. But it's like at the bottom there one. So it compiles very fast.
I'm not sure as well.
Not sure. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's for what's it called? That's for C# lah. Python mainly is used for AI nowadays. I think AI, machine learning. Yeah. So if you're going to like data science, and all that, I think more Python. More Python language.
They actually, Python also can be used for web development. Backend.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Backend.
Have you heard of the framework called Flask?
Yes.
Yeah.
I remember one of my seniors used it before.
They use it for the dome thing. Yeah.
I see. Yeah. So Python also can apparently nowadays.
Interesting.
Okay. Oh yeah. By the way, Philly, Michelle here is actually my previous Jumpstarter partner. Yeah. So she's a computer science student.
Sorry, I'm in my dorm right now.
Sorry?
I'm in my dorms right now.
Oh, okay. No worries. Okay, so guys, I've sent the lead code over already to the chat. So you guys can just open it up and yeah, let's code together. Okay, so count and say. Let's see, how do we do this? So count and say sequence is a sequence of digit strings defined by a recursive formula. Oh shoot. to determine how much you say a digit string, split into the minimal number of substrings, such that each substring contains exactly one unique digit. Then for each substring, say the number of digits, say the digit. Then say finally concatenate every said digit. For example, the same information of digit string 33225. Oh my. Ah, 2 3 3 2 1 5 and 1 1. Okay.
So what function to use? Looks like regex, huh?
Rejects the recursive, right? It's like rejects is a sorry, rejects I don't think it's recursive. Rejects is regular expressions, right?
Uh, but regex return. What's the return value? I forgot already.
I don't think it's rejects this one. But
Hmm.
yeah, okay, let's say this count and say 1 1 1 1
Eh,
1.
Oh, then use for loop lah.
For loop, right?
It's a string, right? For loop I0, I1, I2.
Yes, that's true.
And then we add into a variable counter.
So if n equals to 4 output, okay, they put in 1 2 1 1, right? That's the thing. And this is the base case. Then they say 1 because wait, there's something weird here. Because they say 2 3 3 2 1 5 and 1 1. Oh, okay. Okay, it shouldn't be that hard, I think. I hope not. Okay. Yeah, I think we got this. Okay, so if it's count and say 1, count and say 2. Oh my gosh, I'm a bit lost actually.
They are giving you one number. Let's say one integer 332251, right? So you have to count how many same numbers together. Let's say
Yeah.
3 is considered a sub. You have 2 3, then you have 3 2, and then you have 1 5, and then you have 1 1. So you have to convert the word 2 into the letter 2 into the word integer 2. So later on you have to combine them to become 2 3 3 2 1 5 1 1.
Yeah, concatenate.
Okay, yeah, this one no problem. But look at the example here. Why do they do it this way? Count and say 1 equals to 1. Count and say 2. Say 1 1 1.
Oh, meaning if the string is only 1, then the output returns 1, no?
Because you say here, count and say 3.
If the string is n4, even and return the n term of the count and see. Oh yeah. Weird, n term.
Say 2 1.
N term of the count and see.
1 2 1. Okay, like this one I get it, but where do you get this number from though? That's the thing. You know? Like
Tell me how you see it. Something such that is to contribute the one.
okay,
I think example 1 is a bit funny, yeah. Example 1. I don't quite understand.
n equals to 1, so there's only possible 1.
Yeah.
But it should be 1 1 what, right?
1 1. Yeah, no.
Okay. Oh, why is it? Oh,
But input. I mean, the argument is in a string, right? Not integer, mah.
no, I think you're putting in an integer, eh? Hold on,
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the parameter is a number, and you should return back a string. And why is that string? This is the string. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 7. That means what they did was they put it 7, is it? Did they put 7?
See. Three. Which is
Now we took up
equivalent
a
to this string. Yeah. Blur.
like the example you can understand. This one. No. Like the picture you can understand, but we go to example 1 and 2, it doesn't make sense already.
Yeah. That's why we I think we should just take the string as argument, parameter.
Right, because if you're taking 1 2 1 1, then it makes sense.
Yeah, that's why the example one is a bit, right.
Okay, here they say
Oh.
yes,
No.
please. How do you do it?
Wait. Let's say n equals to, for example, 2, right?
Yeah.
So let's say you have 1, count and say 1, and then count and say 2. You have just count from the first one, right? It's 1 1. You get what I mean? The letter 1 with 1 integer 1. So when it's count 2, so it's 1 1. And then when you go and say 3, you have to refer back to count and say 2. So there's altogether 2. So count and say 2 1.
1 1.
You get what I mean? And then when it goes to count and say 4, you have to refer back count and say 3. Total 1 2 and 1 1. So
Means
your
it's
count
referring
and
to
say
this one.
4. Yeah, referring to the
You are
previous
saying
one.
this number. Is this a recursive
Yeah.
question?
Yes, I guess.
Yes. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do recursives. Ah. Okay, recursive is basically when the number of turns reaches, then it exits, right? I mean the condition. We need to set the condition first, right, to break out the loop. Is that how we do it?
I saw you did it before with for loop. Did you?
Yeah, because for loop can, but recursive, right? I never touched recursive before, so I'm a bit worried about this one. Okay, hold on. Let's cheat a little bit first.
Yeah.
just to see is this within our range or not. If this is out of my range, I think I'll move on to another question first. Okay, I like this. Does it call itself? No. Count and say n minus 1. Oh, it does call itself. Okay. Okay, this one I think we just refer to this and understand now, guys. Because I don't think we've done recursive before. Okay.
I think it's a bit similar to Vivo.
Similar to
Fibonacci or Fibonacci.
Fibonacci, right?
Just
Yeah,
a little bit.
I think so.
Like
Fibonacci
referring
it
to
was calling itself back one, right?
yeah.
Okay. So return new output. Okay, I think let's just understand this and then we move on to another question instead.
Yeah.
Okay, so what they're doing here is they're calling back itself. So if n is equals to 1, return 1. So this is if the case is 1. So let's say n is okay, you know what? Let's do test case. Oh yeah, by the way, this was a question I was working on yesterday with Clifford. We spent 1.5 hours just discussing. It was so hard. And some more the question was considered as medium, So yeah, now I'm a bit scared of leak code actually.
A bit intimidated.
Yes.
I see also takut, man.
Medium,
Medium and susah sangat.
Yeah, okay, let's try 5 lah. Let's try count and say 5. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that the first loop, all right, when it's first, second, third, it should loop 5 times, right? So that means for the first loop, I will return 1. Okay. Then for the second one, say 1, all right? So if I say 1, that means it become 1 1, right? 1 1, it becomes 2 1s. 2 1s, right? And that will become sorry, no, it is 1 1. Is 1 1. So therefore this will become 1 what, which is 11. All right, then after that we have 2 1s, right? 2 1s, 2 1s. So next, that means it will become 2 and 1. Then next we have what is this? This is 1 2 and 1 1. So this will become 1 2 and 1 1. And the last one will be 3 1s. What's the order? 3 1s and 1 2. Is it?
1 1 2 1 and 2 1. Sorry. 1 1 and 1 2. 1 1 1 2 and then 2 1s.
Oh, it follows. It follows in order one.
Yeah, in order, yeah.
Okay. So that means I'm wrong already. That means this one would be 1 1 1
No, 2.
2 and 2 1s. And that is equals to 1 1 1 2 and 2 1s. Oh my gosh. Wow. Is this correct? 1 1 1 2 2 1s. Yeah, guys, this is a very scary question. Okay, we just try one last one. What if we do 6? 6, then that would be 3 1s, 3 1s, 2 2s, and 1 1s. So this is equals to 3 1 2 2 1 1. Yeah, I think eventually it will reach here. Yeah. Oh, that. Okay lah. I think we just skip this question, guys. Did you guys want to see the solution and figure it out a bit more? Or if not, we move on to the next one. Okay lah. Let's look at this now. Two approaches. Oh, this one they use recursive, eh? Say and then count s equals to next. Yeah, okay lah. Guys, I think we come back to this when we are at a better level. Let's go to this one instead.
I wonder questions one.
Sorry?
Usually how do you choose questions? Because sometimes I also having this problem questions which
Yeah, true. For me, what I try to do, because my friend is trying to go for interview for one of the job companies at the moment. So they say he has some insider info lah that they'll be doing some hard lead code questions. Yeah. So for me, what I do is I will look at this this thing called Blind 75. Have you guys heard about it? Yeah. So it's called Blind 75. These are like the 75 questions you need to do, right? Once you know how to do this, right, you pretty much know how to do most of the other questions already. Yeah.
For indeed code.
Mm.
Oh,
Code. So this is like the prime what's it like if you want to challenge yourself to make sure you are confident, you know, like you know everything you need to go into interview. Yeah, a lot of people they recommend do the Blind 75.
I see.
I'll send it. Yeah, I'll send it on the code. So I mean I'll send it in the chat so you guys can check it out also. Okay, and in fact I do this with Clifford like every night 11 like that, you know. So if anyone's interested, you know, or once you feel, you know, you're up for that kind of challenge, yeah, just join us lah. We do it every night 11 o'clock. Yeah. Okay, so let's check this one out. Please easy, let it be easy or at least medium level. That is the, the highest I asked for for now. Okay, a pangram is a sentence where every letter of the English alphabet appear at least once, given a string sentence containing only lowercase letter. Return true if the pangram, if the sentence is a pangram, or false otherwise. Yeah, like this one. True. Okay, lead code false. Okay. All right. Let's try to do this. So,
This sentence containing two keys.
oh, should I didn't copy this to you guys yet. My bad. Yeah, I'll send it over in the chat. So you know, you guys as well once you guys have done. Okay. So I'll do this one. No, my internet a bit lag. Okay. So this is
Every letter.
pangram.
And every letter of English alphabet.
So we need to check if the letters exist between A to Z. Right, that means we need to cycle through. We need to check through each one of the letters. Then, yeah. You need to Google something up. Wait. Okay, let's go with the basic one first. See if you can do it up.
Oh, so meaning A to Z, then only true lah. I see.
Yes. So what we can do is let okay. Not too big. Okay, then what we do is sentence split. Okay. So this will get us the array of everything, and then after that we want to do array of letters for each of the elements. So alphabet, and we check equal to false first. Okay, so if check hold on it's within A to Z. No, we're not checking if it's within A to Z or not. We're checking if each of the letters hit A to Z at least one time.
Yeah.
So I'm taking one letter in, and then I'm checking that letter with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then if it matches, then I'll remove the letter. Then if I remove it, then that means I need to add alphabets. Cannot be, right? I need to list all of them out. See? What do you guys think? Is there another way you can do this? Or I write this one out first.
Rejects.
Rejects. How? How?
Yeah. I remember there's an expression for alphabets, right? Cannot.
But then even if you have rejects, right, then how would you check if you have at least touched on the letters at least once? You know, like A to Z, right? There are 26 or 24 letters, right? Then like
yeah, that's the thing.
I'll try to think while I write this one out first. L-G-H-I. Okay, I feel this is not the right way there. It's a bit too fun.
I found something called set.
Set. Okay. You wanna share screen for it? Yeah.
Share. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yeah.
And you guys, okay. So set is a collection of unique values. So let's try this. Let's try this. So let's say I run here, I add numbers, and then E, it will give me 4 letters. But if I put in, it's 2 C's. So what it is it counts unique letters. You get what I mean? So for us, 26 alphabet, right?
Yeah, so that means we should get 26 lah. If doesn't match 26, then return false. Oh, okay. This makes way better.
Sets.
Okay. Set. Okay, understand. Wow, this is a very nice one. Okay, So, okay, can you guys see my screen? Okay, maybe I'll stop sharing. Share again. Okay, so let's let the collection equals to wait, how do we use set again already? Yeah? Is it an array, Michelle, or is it just a variable?
Array.
New set, right?
Very
Was it like this?
new set. If variable at
And what we do is
what's an array?
collection set, right?
I just realized I didn't open my mic.
Okay. Yeah. Now, is it correct, Michelle?
I think you can try.
Equal to
Okay. Let's give this a try, right? And what are we testing with? We're testing with this. And so, check. This one equal. Okay, let's give this a try. This is node what happened? Okay, something not right with my syntax. New set. Oh, it's add. The keyword is add. Wow, Michelle, how you know about this one?
YOLO.
This is
Go and check
solution, is it?
the discussion. And then they
Oh, I
mentioned
see.
something about set.
Yeah. You're
Because
smart.
I remember for Python that they got something called, I go and check whether
Console log.
I wonder lah, for letter collection, is it an array or is it the count of collection
Should be count,
in
right?
your
Because I thought it will when let's say it's A or B, right? Then it become 1, 2, 3. I thought that's what it became. See this one? Letter dot size. Dot size. Wow. Wow. Learning so many new things today. Okay. Please let it work. Oh, okay. Nice.
There's something There's something I hope to what I say try. Is it possible to put the sentence in your line 4 inside the bracket of the set?
One,
Line 4, line 4.
line 4, yeah.
And then in the bracket, right, you put in the sentence.
It is.
And then, and then you just comment out 5.
Comment out this one, right?
Line 5 to 7 as well.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you try whether it's run.
Wait. I need to console log the thing first. Console log letter collection. Wow.
Wow. You can
Whoa, this is this is OP. This is so powerful. Oh my gosh. This is one thing that just so the set very pandai one. The set will check the whole thing, and then it will just collect the unique one time, right? It will just collect the unique one time, and then that's it.
Yeah. Even though it is repetition.
Wow. Okay. Wow, that's cool.
Nice.
That is so cool. We learned something very new today.
Yes.
Thanks, Michelle.
Thanks.
No.
This is good. Okay, please let it work and show me how fast and how smart is this. $20.32. Are you only that little? So you do better than that. Well, okay lah. Yeah, I think maybe the set takes some time also. Okay, then 40 megabytes. Yep, so looks good. Awesome. What do they say? That's great. All languages, only one line.
Online. Wow.
So what did they do? Where is this one? I think no. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's that. They just return. I see.
No console log, right?
Yeah, I mean, usually we don't use console log one when submitting the answer. Because
just need to see the output.
Yeah. Correct. Just to see the output. But wow, okay. So that means I don't even need to if this or wow, smart. Smart.
Straight away return. Yeah.
Yeah. Because if we do like a comparison, that kind of thing, it will return either true or false only. Right. So what we're doing is we return this check case. Because every time when we do this, right, if something, actually the result is always this only. Is it true or is it false? Yeah. So that's why, wow, this guy is smart. Okay, let me submit this one more time. If I skip that one line, does it make any difference? Yeah, no, it doesn't. Not much difference. Okay, cool. Learn something brand new. Okay, let's go to the next one. I think this was another one that I saw. Let me copy this, send it to you guys. Yeah. Right, so longest common prefix. Longest common prefix. Write a function to find the longest common prefix string amongst an array of strings. If there's no common prefix, return an empty string. So, okay. Flower. Dog. No, Okay, so common prefix. So what we can do is copy this first and okay, new one. English. And we are testing out this one. So let us see. So what can we do? What we can do is we try to check the front letters, I guess. So we check if the front letters matches or not. And if it does, then we store it, right? If we store it, then after that, we check the next line. Then we check the next line. So what I can do is that possible. So I'll check for okay, if store first letter. All right, store first letter of each word. Check if any matches. If yes, then get their index number. Okay. And if yes, then what we should do is check for second letter. Let's see. If yes, store into solutions. Not remove solutions. I feel this solution kind of long though. Okay, but never mind, we continue with this first. See if match. If not, remove the rest of possible solution. Get the index number. So and okay, then once yeah, assign the possible solution. Okay, continue until no more repeated letters and then like that. Okay, so yeah, so let's put let prefix equals to let's default it to this, and after that what we can do, because it's an array, we check, we grab their letters first. Okay, so what we'll do is strings for each, and once it's an array, right? So what we do is word, right? We go through each of the word, and inside of each of these word, we get the first item, which is 0. Okay, and that possible solution goes to strings. I want to get the first element. I want to get the first element, and I want to get the first letter. So first element, which is 0. I want to get the first word. First word. First. And then here, if okay, this one is if possible solution, if word, right? If the word thingy is equals to possible solutions, and only then and only then we put it into okay, or else what we do is we need to renew it. So but then so it's possible solution equals to word. Is it wow, what if there's two? But what if there's like 2 letters? What? Let me think. They should be able to grab one prefix only one, right? So if let's say it was like flower.
I Google.
Hmm.
They use nested. This one guy,
Nested.
nested loop. 4 in a 4.
4 in
But
a okay, I think
but still is a complicated.
okay, first of all, let's understand something. If there's no common prefix, right, straight away it returns, right? So that means if I have flower, flow, and then cat, right, that means straight away there's no common prefix, and then straight away
Exit.
right? It's not considered common anymore, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Because the cat ruins everything. So that means, right? So that means all we need to do is we just grab the first one. So if we grab the first one, if it doesn't work,
Still return false. But
okay.
come
I think I can use some split for this then. Try again. So this time what we want is we check and see split and splice and slice. String. Actually, no need slice. Let equals to strings. Okay, this one should be correct.
Oh, this one empty.
Right, you're getting the first one. And what we do is we use a for loop, right? Strings. By the way, are you familiar with for each, Philip?
Not really.
Not really, yeah. Okay. For each, right, it's basically for loop. So if let's say you have 10 elements inside, then if you use for each, it will loop through all the 10 elements. It's basically for. Yeah, it's a JavaScript function.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why you see me using for each quite frequently. So like strings, then for each, right? So this means that if let's say there are 3 letters, that means this loop will run 3 times. And you have to pass in the item inside. So the item inside will be word, or you can call it E also can. Yeah, but we give it, so this is the value that we get.
Sorry. The word,
Hmm.
the word
Yeah.
is a keyword.
No, it's not. You can do it. You can use it
Variable.
any way you want. Yeah, it's just a variable, correct.
Okay.
So like for example, I'll let me run it and see. So node longest common prefix. Okay. Power flow flight, it will show everything. If I change this to E,
Okay.
change this to each, okay. Same thing also.
Oh.
So
Oh,
this is another for function actually. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We sorry. We can do that because of this arrow function, right?
Well, arrow function is a shortcut actually, because
Okay.
usually what you do is this. If I'm not mistaken. So basically the for loop. So basically for each is telling you to run a function for every element inside. That's what it's saying. Okay, so sometimes we do not like defining as function. We just use an arrow function instead.
Okay.
So usually defining a function is like this. Okay. So instead of doing this, just arrow function. Okay, right. Hope it helps. Okay, so now let's go through each of these words, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the first item, right? Which we have taken already, and we check prefix. Wait, let me think. How many times should we run it though?
Dot length, no?
You should find the shortest word.
Find the shortest word.
Oh yeah. The shortest.
See. I should find the shortest word, and then I should loop through each of that, and then okay. That means how do you find the shortest word?
is there a mean function in JavaScript?
Mean function,
Minimum. Ah,
minimum. Yes, there is.
But for numbers, right?
For numbers, yes.
then you just have to count the length of each item, each element in the list, and then find the minimum.
Yes. So, length of length of word equals to word dot length, right? Let length. Okay. So this should push it inside. Okay. And yeah, let's see. At least you get this result first. Six four six. Yes, correct. Okay, so
But if like this, if let's say you have 644, then how which one should the program choose?
644. Either one should be fine because you're running it, let's say 4 times, right? Confirm it won't match the same one. So you know that at least you're not running it 6 times, right? So if I run 4 times, that means I just need to keep checking how long does it continue until it stops, and then I just cut off the loop there. So that means I need to do a for loop, and sorry, excuse me. So let I equals to 1, no, I equal to 0, and I must be less than at minimum equals to
Yeah.
to use a split operator, right? For okay, let's check if the minimum length works or not. Okay. None. What do you mean none? Okay. Okay, obviously the thing works. Now we just need to figure out. Originally, I wanted to promote to you guys, there's like this weekly contest for leak code and all you can join, can win like Apple HomePod mini gaming mouse. Yeah. Wow, I do easy and medium, I also get stuck. I'll be scared already actually. I don't think I'm at the level yet to go for this.
Thanks for informing.
No problem. Hey, Michelle, you try this if you're up for it, or we can all go give it a try together.
I'm still on Edabit.
Yeah, I think Edabit is a safer one. Okay. What are we checking for? Yes, we want to do minimum function.
I think the parameter you don't need to convert because it's already an array.
Oh yeah,
Right.
right. This one, right? You mean?
I see. So it's already an array. No need dot there.
Okay. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Yay! Nice. Okay, I think we're halfway there. I hope.
Yeah.
Okay. So back to the question. So now, what I need to do is I need to check.
0, 1, 2, 3.
I think for each of the word, right, we need to check through things that for each. Oh, now I see why he used the for loop within a for loop.
Hmm.
It must be less than the strings length. And okay. And what we need to do is we need to check, right? If any of these letters, if for this particular cycle, this particular word letter, right, is not equals to the prefix. Oh my gosh. Wow.
I think J equals to 1, eh?
Sorry?
Y- 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 your J, your nested for J
Yeah,
equals to 1, initialize.
equals to 1. Oh, you mean the one just now, right?
Your nested for line 22.
Wait. 922. Why 1? Huh? Okay, if it's flower, flow, and flight, all right, we're gonna check if it matches F or not, right? If F matches, then we go to the next loop. If F does not matches, right? If any of them does not match F, then we jump, all right? If L, right? If L, any of them does not matches, then we leave the loop. Okay, so now we're checking if wow,
First, first element, first letter. Oh my god.
current letter equals to
Mm.
Breakout.
Jing Yong,
Yes.
sorry ah.
Mm.
Almost 10:30 ah.
Oh yeah, true. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I think we try. Let me see. Can I finish it or not? Let me think.
Yeah,
Mm,
because
have to go already, right?
Hmm.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I think we try to continue this maybe next time lah. Okay. But yeah, if you guys are following this, for those that are watching recording,
yeah,
if you guys have given it a try, you can check the discussion as well. Okay,
Okay.
just to see the answer. Okay, so yeah, thanks everyone for following today, and so sorry
Yes.
we did it too long.
Thanks.
Okay, thanks everyone. Take care. Have a good rest.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Okay.